Hello everyone. Welcome back to Graphic Hunters. Today, we've got an exciting tutorial for you. We're diving into the creation of an elegant and powerful S-letter logo within a sword. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process, step by step. We'll cover everything from initial concept to final vector artwork. By the end of this video, you'll have all the skills you need to create your own S-letter logo, perfect for any brand looking to make a bold statement. So, grab your favorite design tool, and let's get started. First, take Line Segment tool, and draw a line. Give it stroke color. Select the line, copy it by Hold-Alt. And make total 12 lines by hold Ctrl and pressing D. Now select the lines. Make it middle align center. And group it. Okay, that's fine. Now we're gonna make a hexagon by the lines. For that, go Transform. Rotate it 60 degree. Reverse the rotate line following the process. Now copy the selected line. For copy, go Edit and select Copy. Again go Edit, and select Paste in place. Go Transform. And make it 0 degree. Again copy the selected line by press Ctrl-C and Ctrl-F. Go Transform. And make it 90 degree. Now select everything. And rotate it 90 degree like that. Now decrease the stroke weight for easy to understand. As you can see friends, I have made a hexagon by the lines, so this is the process how to draw an hexagon by lines. Now select the vertical lines, and keep one copy aside by Hold-Alt, because we need this line for completing the design. Now select the hexagon, and take Shape Builder tool. Must swap stroke to fill color. Just draw like that. This is a very easy design, I think you can easily design it. Carefully fill up each and every gap, otherwise the design will not be perfect. As you can see my friends, I have designed this. I think you can also design this part very easily. Now select everything. And make it group. And make sure the design is attached to lines like that. Now select the line. Go Transform. Rotate it 345 degree like that. Okay, that's good. Now select everything, make it middle align center like that. Now take Shape Builder tool, must swap stroke color to fill color. Now draw the design like that. Carefully fill up each and every gap. Okay, that's good. As you can see friends, I have designed the logo, though this is still incomplete. Now we need to move the design above from the lines. I think, sometimes this is very difficult for someone. Now watch this carefully. First select the design, and ungroup it. Again select the design, and ungroup it. Try to ungroup each and every part. Now hold Shift, and select the design. Now move it above from the line. As you can see friends, I have successfully moved the design without attached any lines. So this is how you can move your design from lines. Go Pathfinder, and make it united. Also turn off the stroke weight.